everybody, and welcome to today's video here live at Magic Hair Company Glueless Lace Wig Store located in Culver City, California. It is November, so I'm representing for Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. I came through the Pi Rho chapter. I'm a charter member of the Rho Mu chapter and charter member of the Nu Delta Sigma alumni chapter in San Bernardino. But today we are here to talk about our custom glueless lace wigs. These wigs are available here in our Culver City store. This is one of my personal everyday purple wigs. Let me just show you guys a little bit of the work I'm doing here. So this will be my holiday wig. We just finished coloring it here in store. This is a 22-inch silky straight. A 22-inch silky straight lace wig that we custom colored here in store. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we do custom coloring here. So all of the wigs you see behind me were custom colored in store. So check out how easy it is to put on our glueless wigs. That is it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And you see my wig is nice and secure. This will be my, what year is it? 2021 holiday wig. So this is what I'll be wearing for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Well, at least just one of the holidays. And she will probably, actually she won't be available on the website and she does not have a wig number. But if you really like the color in this wig, just screenshot it and we will definitely duplicate it for you on a longer wig, a shorter wig. Let me give you guys a better view here of what the back looks like. So this is the color. This is where she falls on me. Look at how natural that color is. Look how beautiful and silky this hair still is. It's silky, but not too silky. And yes, I can absolutely run my fingers through it. Shop with us if you want a quality, long-lasting wig. My wigs last for years and years to come. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store. Appointment preferred, and our Black Friday sale will be freaking awesome this year. We open at 10:30 on Black Friday. Let me finish styling this one up. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Wig styling is included with the purchase of all wigs here in store. So whether you want us to cut some bangs or if you want us to add some simple layering, that is all included here at Magic Hair Company. It's included, so whether at the time of purchase you want it or at a time later, just bring your wig back to us and we will style it for you. We also do in-store custom coloring. So like this beautiful purple here on this wig, we did this color here in store. And this is one of my favorite wigs. So sometimes I want a short wig, just a little bit of color. And yeah, so I actually kind of flat ironed her earlier, so that's why she's already done there. But this is a great wig option here. We have lots of different textures available: silky straight, body wave, kinky straight, deep body wave, curly, kinky, curly, you name it, we have it here at Magic Hair Company. And our wigs are glueless, so you saw how I just threw this beauty on here. She's very secure, not going anywhere. And you see I can really, you know, this hair is swinging around. My wig's not going anywhere and my hair is not getting tangled. Woo, I'm dizzy there. But watch how I can still brush through this with this fine tooth comb here, and there are no strands of hair coming out in this comb. Look at this comb here. You don't see hair in this comb here. I just wanted to show you guys the quality of our hair. So you're definitely getting what you pay for when you shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Not only will we custom color your hair for you, I'm actually going to cut a little bit of layers into this wig here. This lace I'll of course cut off. And there you go. You see how after all that shaking, my wig did not slide off. Our wigs are nice and secure. We have a lot of security going on underneath our wigs there. I love this color. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the color. So you see how natural this color falls? I'm falling in love with her. Yeah, so, and of course there's baby hair all the way around the perimeter. Little baby hairs all the way around the perimeter. So once we cut that lace, she is good to go. But our wigs are nice and secure. Let me show you. With this one, a lot of the security that we have underneath. We of course have this removable and adjustable band. So you can remove this, and that is what helps our wig be glueless. So again, this wig right here is not available on our website. This is an in-store exclusive. This one was actually colored for me to wear, but we will make another one because whenever I have wigs, somebody else absolutely loves them. Another question I got today was, how do you take your wig measurements if you are shopping online, just to make sure that our wigs fit you? So whether you are new to wearing wigs or you've been wearing wigs for years, if you are hesitant about purchasing a wig from us online, don't be. I've obviously been in the industry for 10 plus years here, and my standard cap, which is about 21.5 inches, has a little bit of flex. Well, it has a flex in it. So you can be 5 inches up or 5 inches below. That means anywhere between that 21 to 22 range is where your wig will fit. That's where our standard size wigs fit. And if you're unsure, go ahead and take your wig measurement at home. Just grab a one of these kind of measuring tapes, a nice soft kind, wrap it around your head, just like I'm doing right here. So hopefully you guys can see right where I'm placing this measuring tape, and I make sure not to cover my ears because your wig will not cover your ears. So, and this is measuring at 21.5, which most heads measure out about 21.5 to 22, sometimes 21, and that is why our standard caps fit awesome. Let me show you in a different way. Okay, so this is one of our curly wigs. This looks to be about 10 inches. So this band here, of course, it's removable and adjustable, so you can adjust it right there, and you can remove it right here on both sides. So if you're planning on gluing your wig down, you can. I just recommend removing the elastic band so the elastic lasts. So we have our removable and adjustable band underneath, and watch, now it is back attached there. We also have right here 2 pieces of bendable metal right here on the side, so you can kind of bend that in to give you a little more shape on your wig to kind of form to your sides right here, as well as some silicone at the nape right here. So this kind of sits on the back of your neck here. This is a comb, and this comb will slide into the back of this here. So when your wig is sitting on your head like this with the strap in the back, you can tuck that comb into the strap there. And oh, let me not forget all of our security features on here. So we of course have these bands right here that you can also adjust to make your cap size smaller or tighter. You see these little hooks there. They hook in right here, and you can do that on either side. And there's combs right here for security. They go right above your ears, the one back here, and that's it. So our wig caps are really, really secure. That's why they're glueless. You have all of this free parting space right here. So our wigs have up to 6 inches of free parting space. And then you can also part it down on the sides here. So all of that space where you see here is space where you can part your wig. So our wigs are so easy to put on. Simply put the back and the back of the cap, align them together like so, and just put it on your head like this. We will gladly collect the lace for you, whether you make your purchase with us online or in store. So if you're looking for a curly wig, she's a cute option here. You can of course part her. She just needs to be styled a little bit. But look at all of that parting space here in the front. So whether you want to do your part straight or to the side, you will have a lot of parting space to do that with. So this is a cute shape. This is a 10-inch curly. We can of course custom color it however you want. We have a few different color options here. So here's some of our curly colored options. So yeah, we are a custom wig specialist and we do custom color here in store. Let us know what you're looking for and we will try to accommodate you. Don't forget to check out our Black Friday special here in store. Doors will open at 10:30. We're open 10:30 to 6, Monday through Saturday. And this is one of my favorite everyday wigs, so let me throw this on to show you guys what it looks like. We'll have lots of fun games to play here in store. We're doing spin the wheel. We of course already have our Christmas tree up. And yeah. And we have lots of different kinds of purple. So let me show you the different purples that we have. Again, this is my favorite, or one of my favorite everyday go-to wigs right now. I love this color, I love this style. This is a 12-inch silky straight with this custom purple color here. Yeah. So if you want some pretty purple hair, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. If you are one that likes to play with a lot of color, get a wig. You don't need to damage your hair with all these different colors and cuts. You can just get a wig and you no longer have to damage your hair with color. So here's some more color examples. This one's purple, but as you can see, there are different shades of purple. So if you are looking for a specific shade of purple, send us a screenshot or a specific shade of anything, whether it's highlights or anything like that, screenshot and we will duplicate it. So these are some of our beautiful color examples here in store. Again, guys, if you love these ladies, check out our Black Friday sale here in store at Magic Hair Company. We are open. Whoop, let me put these in the right place. So we have hundreds of wigs in store and we will be getting quite a few more before Black Friday. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Culver City. Come on by, let us make you a beautiful glueless wig. We specialize and have the best glueless lace wigs. My wigs last for years. We do custom color and we'll style your wig for you. If you're looking for a natural wig, why wouldn't you get the best? It's not going to scratch up your face, not going to bunch up on your neck, no shedding, and this wig will last you for years and years to come. So if you got an auntie, mama, wife, cousin, sister who needs to upgrade their wigs, send them our way to Magic Hair Company. Share this video with them, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. All right, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas. Yes, it's early November and I'm already talking about Christmas, but I'm just glad to be here. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Check us out online at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. All right, guys, I'm Janice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Tell me what kind of colors you like, and we'll see you Black Friday. Bye.